Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I have recreated my mother's recipe of making noodles. She used to make this recipe for our lunchbox during school days. Today actually I'm making this for her. She used to make this recipe for my sister and I with so much love. And I hope that I also can give it my own love, so that she's gonna love this recipe. This recipe actually brings so much childhood memories. Even on Sundays, she used to make this recipe at home. It needs a lot of vegetables and 2 eggs. As previously I have told you that this is my mother's recipe I am recreating, and she never put any kind of sauce into this, and that's why I'm not gonna also use any kind of sauce. Just heat the pan and put some vegetable oil and put the vegetables into this. Here I'm putting the carrots first, the beans and the green peas. These are the vegetables that take longer time to get cooked. I'm not going to put the salt right now because I want them to be crunchy. Stir it thoroughly. And now I'm going to add the onions and other vegetables like the green onions and some boiled potatoes into this. And the green chilies also. We actually love spicy food, that is why I have used so many chilies here. Even some red chilies. Keep stirring the vegetables. So the vegetables are almost done, and I am making some space for the eggs to cook. I have used 2 eggs. You can use as far as your convenience. Even if you don't like to use eggs, you can skip the part. Adding some salt. When the eggs are almost done, slowly mix it with vegetables. Keep stirring it so that everything will be crunchy. And now I'm going to add the noodles. Be very gentle while mixing the noodles with the vegetables and eggs, so the noodles don't break. So it's done. I have put some coriander leaves on top of it and some black pepper powder. And it is the time to serve it. If you like my videos, please like, comment, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.